Alright, welcome back to the Grow Bench. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those hostas that you saw there in the intro. But now I wanted to show you some of the seed pods here and what's inside and how they look, the seeds, when they're harvested. These seeds are super small and thin. Those are good seeds. We'll let those dry out for a day or so, and then we'll put them through some cold stratification in the fridge once they're dry for about 3 weeks, and then we'll grow them. Look at all those seeds.